Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term AKA. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, AKA is an abbreviation meaning also known as, used to introduce another name or alias. People use it when they want to clarify or add a nickname. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. AKA first showed up in legal and formal writing in the 19th century. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people introducing nicknames or alternative names. Now let's check out how to use AKA in a sentence. Correct example 1. She goes by Sarah, AKA the coolest girl in school. Correct example 2. My brother, AKA the chef of the family, made dinner last night. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said AK at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using AKA right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. AKA means an abbreviation for also known as, used to indicate an alias. It started in legal contexts in the 19th century, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with AKA in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.